There is a timeless stillness in a Storybook Tudor revival haven where spring sunlight whispers through leaded panes, caressing sage green walls and dark oak floors with Ben Pentreath's gentle heritage. This sanctuary cradles your spirit, evoking memories of enduring grace amid blooming serenity. Here, every molding and texture understands the quiet fulfillment of your golden years, a backdrop for peace that feels profoundly, eternally yours. Imagine stepping into this Storybook Tudor revival entry hall, where spring sunlight dances across dark oak floors, wrapping you in timeless warmth. Sage green walls whisper cozy secrets, high ceilings lift your spirits with ornate moldings. Leaded windows frame blooming gardens outside. Feel the gentle embrace of a wooden settle, fresh flowers perfuming the air. It's not just an entry, it's your heartfelt welcome home, charming and alive with Ben Pentreath's magic. Sunlight pours into the living room, bathing everything in golden spring glow. Dark oak underfoot grounds you, while sage plaster walls hug the space tenderly. That inglenook fireplace beckons with crackling promise. Plush armchairs invite lazy afternoons, floral fabrics swaying softly. Books and blossoms mingle scents of old pages and fresh petals. Here, time slows, pure cozy bliss, Ben Pentreath style, where every corner feels like a beloved story unfolding. Golden rays flood the dining room, turning sage green walls into a serene spring canvas. Dark oak floors gleam invitingly beneath your feet. Picture gatherings here, laughter echoing off molded ceilings, tulips bursting with color on the oak table. Crystal sparkles. Tapestries tell tales. It's intimate magic, warm, elegant, alive. Ben Pentreath's charm makes every meal a cherished memory, wrapped in timeless Tudor revival comfort. sun-drenched library nook, where dark oak floors anchor dreams among towering shelves. Sage plaster walls cradle leather chairs, sunlight weaving through leaded panes like golden threads. Breathe in aged books and spring ivy. Curl up. Lose yourself in stories. A ladder waits for hidden gems. This retreat hums with quiet inspiration, Ben Pentreath's whimsical haven, where mind wanders free and heart finds peace in every sunlit page. Daylight spills across the kitchen, igniting dark oak floors with warm vitality. Sage green walls feel alive, textured softly under your touch. Butler's sink gleams, oak cabinets brim with rustic charm. Herbs scent the air, copper pots catch sunbeams dancing. It's the heart pulsing, hospitable, joyful. Whip up memories here. Ben Pentreath weaves everyday magic into this Tudor revival soul, where cooking feels like pure, springtime love. Spring light filters into the morning room, caressing dark oak floors with gentle warmth. Sage plaster walls glow softly, wicker seats whispering relaxation. Ferns rustle. Det stems invitingly. Cushions plump for lingering chats. Outside gardens peek through leaded glass, blending serenity indoors. Tranquil vibes wrap around you. Ben Pentreath's vernal escape. Short breaths. Long sighs. Here, mornings stretch into blissful, timeless repose. Sunlight awakens the primary bedroom, streaming over dark oak floors in soft waves. Sage green walls cradle a four-poster bed like a lover's arms. High moldings crown the romance. Lilies perfume dreams. Velvet invites touch. Drapes billow lazily. Slip into restful luxury. Ben Pentreath's Tudor charm turns nights eternal. Feel pampered. Safe. This sanctuary pulses with spring's tender heartbeat, where sleep becomes poetry. Bright daylight graces the guest bedroom, warming dark oak floors beneath twin quilts. Sage plaster walls offer gentle welcome, leaded windows framing pastoral views. Daffodils nod cheerfully. Armchair beckons for stories shared. Nightstands hold secrets. It's cozy haven, inviting, fresh. Ben Pentreath infuses every detail with storybook joy. Guests linger here, wrapped in spring's embrace, feeling utterly at home in Tudor revival grace. Sunbeams chase shadows from the study, illuminating dark oak floors with focused energy. Sage green walls inspire quietly, high ceilings amplifying thoughts. Desk waits patiently, leather chair molds to you. Ivy trails thoughtfully. Maps unfold adventures. Ben Pentreath's whimsical workspace hums, productive yet peaceful. Ideas bloom like spring outside leaded panes. Dive in. Create. This nook fuels your soul's quiet fire. Harmonious sunlight bathes the music room, dancing across dark oak floors like melody.
Sage plaster walls resonate softly, piano keys gleaming invitingly.
Instruments stand poised, violins sing silently. Sheet music flutters. Flowers add sweet notes. Ben Pentreath crafts pure magic here. Pluck a string. Hum along. Spring air vibrates with possibility, turning every corner into symphonic joy in this Tudor revival alcove. Vibrant daylight floods the conservatory, awakening dark oak floors amid lush greenery. Sage green walls frame a verdant paradise, leaded glass capturing sun's full glory. Wicker cradles you gently. Ferns sway. Blooms burst colorfully. Vines climb dreamily. Ben Pentreath's spring oasis envelopes. Alive, breathing. Lounge here eternally. Nature's whisper indoors creates blissful harmony, where Tudor revival meets wild, sun-kissed wonder. You've walked paths of grace and gathered wisdom enough to claim this beauty as your own. Let this Tudor revival spring haven inspire your sanctuary's refinement, walls that soothe, light that revives, heritage that endures. Surround yourself with such timeless comfort. It's not indulgence, but the legacy you deserve. Breathe deeply. Your most radiant chapter awaits within these whispering walls.